Today's recipe, we're going to be making tahini vegan cookies. You'll be needing a glass container and a silicone spatula. Some cocoa, a 1/4 cup to be exact, and you're just going to put that right in there. Chia seeds are awesome, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons in our mixture. Add 5 tablespoons of softened virgin coconut oil. This is going to make it easier to incorporate all the ingredients. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of tahini sesame seed paste. You're going to see why we're doing it all in a glass container. My sweet, sweet maple syrup. We're going to go ahead and add 5 tablespoons. And for added flavor, we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah, baby. I love to add a dash of cinnamon, actually half a teaspoon. And if you want things spicy in your life, you can try to add some cayenne pepper. Check it out. Here I'm adding some cranberries, and it's going to give it a nice chewy texture to the cookie. And for a little crunch, I'm going in with some caramel toffee bits. And that's what your mixture looks like right before putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now you're gonna wanna stir that really well to incorporate all the ingredients. I have some bits and pieces there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in for maybe about 15 more seconds. Give it that nice, good last stir, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Ooh, creamy. Quaker oats will be our final ingredient. My total measurement is 1 cup, but I'm gonna fold in half a cup first, incorporate it well, and then add the other half cup. Stir that in, make sure it's all well incorporated. This is what it looks like. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to put that in cupcake liners. I'm using about 2 teaspoons per cupcake liner, and it's gonna give you about 12 portions for this delicious snack and nutritious little treat. Look how beautiful that looks. And you garnish with some sesame seeds. Makes it look pretty, and it's a little bit of added protein. You're gonna pop that into the freezer for 20 minutes, and you're gonna see. Bada bing, bada boom. And here they are, straight to your cookie jar. But actually you gotta keep them in the fridge. However, the whole family is gonna enjoy this easy to make treat. Hope you enjoy. Buen provecho. This video was on how to make tahini no-bake cookies. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. It's right there. Come on.